Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you have multiple audio outputs and you'd like to change your audio output in Adobe Premiere Pro, I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. It's quick and easy, so let's get into it. So what we're going to do here to change our audio output is go up to our toolbar on the top left hand side. We're going to look for Edit. Once we're in Edit, we're going to go all the way down to Preferences, and in Preferences we are going to look for Audio Hardware. Now, once you've opened audio hardware, you'll see on the left-hand side all of your settings or your preferences. You can now go to default output, and this is your default audio output, system default. So if you use this drop-down menu, you can actually change your audio output to your preference. And once you have made those changes, you can click on OK. You will now have to restart Premiere Pro, and your default audio output has been changed.